Welcome to Davoli's Dream. We just dressed up our parking brake pawl. Here it is down here. You remember it from our last video. The crescent moon on the right is what we sharpened. We're dressed up. The blue on the left is where it meets. The way that it works is you pull that T-handle. We'll do that in a minute. The connector is down through there. Pulls up on that. There's the fulcrum, and it engages the teeth together. So let's go see how we did. Here's your brakes, right brake, left brake. You can pin them together underneath so that they both brake at the same time all the time. But right now, you can do them independently. You can roll your foot between them, make tighter turns, lock up one wheel, lock up the other wheel. Here's our T-handle I showed you from below. So let's see how it works. Push down on the brake, pull up on the T-handle, and it holds. You can see that's down. So we have a parking brake now. So the work, total time, 10-15 minutes to actually do it. If I had to do it again, I could probably remove it, fix it, and put it back in 5. But we fixed it, didn't have to buy it, and it was free. And I found just a missing retaining pin while I was under there, so it was good to get underneath the tractor and look around. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.